everyone, welcome back to Phi Coaching Institute. Today we will do the topic is construction of angles. Means with the help of the compass, today we will draw all these angles. Construction. Firstly we will draw a line. Now in the middle we will draw here a one dot. This is our origin O. Now firstly we will make an arc. This is our 60 degree. Next one is 120 degree, and next one, this is our 180 degree. Now we will join this arc with the origin O, and we will get here 60 degree angle. Next thing, now next we will get, this is 120 degree and this one is 180 degree. This is our 0 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 120 degree and this is 180 degree. When we do the bisector of angle 0 degree plus 60 degree divided by 2, then we will get 60 by 2. This is equals to 30 degree angle. It means when we will do the bisector of 0 degree and 60 degree, in between we will get here 30 degree angle. We will keep here compass at 0 degree like this way, we will an arc, and from 60 degree we will make an arc here. It means in between 0 and 60 degree we will get 30 degree angle. Similarly this way, when we will do the bisector of angle 60 degree and 120 degree, then we will get 90 degree angle. We will join it firstly and I will show you how this is 90 degree angle, because here we will do 60 degree plus 120 degree divided upon 2, that is equals to 180 degree divided upon 2, that is equals to 90 degree angle. Now when we will do the bisector of angle 120 degree and 180 degree, we will get here 150 degree angle. Like this way you can make an angle here 150 degree. This is our 90 degree and this is our 150 degree. Similarly this way, when we will do the bisector of angle 0 degree and 30 degree, then we will get plus 30 degree divided by 2, 30 degree divided by 2, that is equals to 15 degree. Now here we will draw 15 degree angle. This is 0 degree arc and this is 30 degree. So here we will get 15 degree angle. This way we will do the bisector of angle 30 degree and 60 degree. Here 60 degree and 90 degree. This one is 90 degree and 120 and 150, 150 and 180, and in between we will get 30 degree. This is our 45 degree. Next one is 60, 60 and 90. In between we will get 75 degree, 90 degree and 120 we will get 105 degree, 120 and 120. In between we will get here 135 degree. Next one is, this is 165 degree. Look at carefully, the difference between two angles is there 15 degree. 0 to 15, there is difference between 15 degree angle, 30, next is 45, 60, 75, like this way we will make here till 180 degree. And if you want to draw in between these two angles, means 0 degree angle and 15 degree angle, then you will get in between angle is 0 degree angle plus 15 degree angle divided by 2, that is equals to 15 by 2 degree, that is equals to 7.5 degree angle. So this way you can find in between 7.5 degree angle. Similarly, this way you can find the angle between 15 degree and 30 degree. Similarly, this way 30 and 45 degree, 2 degree, then you will get in between numbers. So I hope you like my video. So please share it with your friends, family, and don't forget to share it with students also. So thank you everyone.